How to get rid of chapped lips overnight instantly. Lips are the best looking and noticeable area of the body. Healthy and glossy lips cause you to more beautiful and engaging. Chapped lips are very frequent problem one of the people and those face this sort of issue in the cold and dry weather. This issue is recognized as a significant disorder, but to get rid of chapped lips fast to test natural home remedies, which provides a better result. Almond oil. Simply before you go to bed have a pure almond oil and use a layer of almond oil on lips. Allow it to stay overnight. You will notice a clear change inside a week. You may also combine almond oil and jojoba oil for a better result. Banana. Just mash a bit of banana, combine half teaspoon of honey inside it. Start applying in your chapped lips. Allow it to stay for half an hour, it rapidly heals the dry lips. Wash. Eco-friendly tea. Take chilled eco-friendly tea water. Soak a cotton pad, now apply this cotton swab in your lips. After a few minutes again use the eco-friendly tea water. Allow it to stay for 25 minutes, then wash. Do this home cure 2 times each day to get rid of chapped lips.